how to edit PDF file in the Word, Microsoft Word. Okay, so in this video tutorial we are going to learn about the best and simple way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, if at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, do one thing first. We need to open the Microsoft Word app. Just open your Microsoft Word on your computer. Okay, now we need to open that PDF file which you want to edit in Word. Go to the file, go to the open section, go to the browse, and here we need to find that PDF file which you want to edit. So we have PDF file here, so I just take one PDF file. So it's like, okay, so we have PDF file with one page, and this is like later. Okay, so once you open your PDF file in Word, so it will be converted in Word document, and now you are able to edit it. Okay, so you can edit margin like this. Okay, if you want to edit margin, you can edit. If you have space between the line like this, you can decrease, increase. Like, you have to just select the contain, go to the layout, and here you need to select this spacing option. You can select 0 pt before after. Okay, so it will be come like this, it will be look like this. Okay, and here you can add many you can edit with the many option. Like, you can see there is a lots of option you can use. Like, you can change the title, you can change the headings, you can change the color, you can also change the font if you want. You can change the font size from here. You have to select the text and select the font size from here. Okay, so I just you can also set the margin like this. This is directly you can set up the margin left, right. This is a left margin. You have to just head over the cursor here and make sure this symbol has come, then just click and hold it, then you can drag left, right, and set the margin. Same, you can set the margin for top and bottom like this. Okay, or you can also go to the file, sorry, okay, you can set the margin from here also. Go to layout, and here you can see the margin. Just click on this down arrow and go to the custom margin, and here you can select your margin, top margin, left margin, bottom and right. You can set from here. Okay, you can also set the orientation of your page, like landscape or portrait. This is a preview. Okay, then just click on OK. If you want to use the default setting, just click on set default. Okay, once you change everything, you can set as a default if you want. And there is a lots of option you can use, like layout or paper you can change. Okay, so now once you done edit your PDF file in Word, then you can save this file once again in PDF. Go to the file, go to the save as, go to the browse. Now just select the location. Here in the save tab, you need to change it PDF only. Now rename it and save it. Then this file again save in PDF only. And one option, if you don't show ruler in your Word document, you can go here in search bar and search for ruler, and make sure this show ruler has check. Okay, so it's selected. Just select this one like this. I will show you. Okay, go to the show ruler, it will be show here. Then you can select the margin from here, and you can select you can change the space between the line from here, layout. Okay, before and after. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.